Welcome back to Katie's Cars. Today will be the third video on this BMW 4.4i. Today I'm going to finish the interior. I'll be doing all of the back, all of the trunk, as well as anything else that I missed. First, I'm going to give you a tour of the back as well as the trunk to show you why I sort of have been putting this off. I really was hoping that we could get all of it fixed by the mechanic before I did this. You're gonna see why this is a flip car. You guys might be surprised that we actually bought this car. So leave a comment and let me know, would you guys have bought this car? So let me give you a tour of the back, because now you're gonna start to see some of the work this car needs. First, here's the spare tire. Then here's the trunk. There's the door panel. You'll see where that goes in just a minute. And the spare tire goes underneath that door panel, but that also happens to be where the battery is in this car. We're having a lot of problems with the battery. We just bought a battery, but I'll go into that in another video. Then we have the back seat. You'll see why I've saved the back seat. So this door, pretty normal, sort of dirty, and not sure what that part's for. And then that is where the door panel goes. So we're having a lot of problems with the locks in this car. But watch my next video because I think I'm gonna do an update on how the car flip is going. Now that, like, what the heck is that? That's like a toe thing. It's an adventure. It's all an adventure. I did mention that I was going to be doing another video this week on the car flip. Due to everything that's going on with the coronavirus, I will not be able to do that video. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but my husband and I have our own business, and because of everything going on, I've had to put a lot more time into that business this week, and that might continue into next week and the week after. I just don't know what's coming up. So if I don't upload a video next week, I hope that everybody can understand, and I hope that everybody is safe and with their family, and my thoughts and prayers go out to all my viewers and subscribers. I hope that all of you and your families are doing well during these uncertain times. This is my setup for this morning. I think this is everything I'll be using. The thing I'm most excited about is this magic eraser. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with this soon. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Katie and I've been detailing for a couple months now. I hope you will follow my journey as I try out new techniques and new products and hopefully become a better detailer every week. So it's not that hot today for Florida, but it's getting hotter with March, the heat starting to set in. We had to move the car into the shade just to give me a little relief from the sun. I also got a fan out. I wonder what it's gonna be like
detailing in the summer. It's gonna be hot.
This is how I'm using the magic erasers. This was a suggestion by one of my viewers. I'm going to be using them on the seats, and this turned out so much better than using the all-purpose cleaner. After I used the magic erasers, I went back and I looked at the all-purpose cleaner, and I used the LA Totally Awesome all-purpose cleaner. And it says right on its bottle that it's not to be used on leather. Probably should have looked at that before I used it on leather, but I noticed when I used it on the front seats that the front seats would get clean and they wouldn't be quite as soft as before I'd cleaned them. With the magic eraser, they would get really clean, but they would stay that soft leather feel that everybody loves. I looked up some other channels that had some information on using magic erasers on leather, and they actually use all-purpose cleaner on the magic eraser. I decided to go against that once I looked at my bottle of all-purpose cleaner and it said not to use it on leather. But if you guys want to try that out, either just using it with water or with an all-purpose cleaner that's made for leather, either way, I think that the magic eraser trick was really great to use on leather.
I watched some videos from Detailing as JC. I liked some of his tips. He used the steamer in a lot of his detailing, and now that I have a steamer, I want to try some of those things out. I also like the way that he left some of the sounds in, so I'm going to try that this week and see if you guys like it.
So like I said, I got the inspiration to leave some of these natural sounds in from Detailing as JC. Let me know in the comments if you like that. And if you do like it, go over and check his channel out. I'll have his channel link in the description below. One of the things that I saw JC do when he was using the steamer was to use the all-purpose cleaner before using the steamer. And so I tried that here and I thought it worked beautifully. This thing was so dirty and it cleaned up really quickly.
This is the baby sucker and it's wash the car.
We're gonna wash the car.
Oh, dude.
Mommy see it? Yeah, I'll give you a different one. Here, use this one.
Mommy, I want snake. This is the baby wash the car, wash the car, wash the car. This is the baby wash the car, and then the mommy.
Early in the morning.
And then the mommy.
So here's my table at the end of the day. Not quite as tidy. You can see, rookie mistake, rookie mistake.